Alright. Might want to put,
That's good.
Why are you putting it upside down?
I'm gonna try it the other way.
Just shake it. Shake, 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 shake it. I think you have to like fill the water all the way up. Maybe we should, oh god. Hey Ellie, pick it up, turn it, open it up. Maybe you're not supposed to close the lid all the way.
Just have to tie it tightly so that
Well, they're stupid.
gas
Let me
doesn't leak.
Let me drink it. It'll make my tummy feel better. Just go to take the cap off like you did last time.
I didn't do that, it just popped.
When you touched it? Oh. Okay, I don't think it's gonna do anything.
There's still tablets that kind of like...
Hello? Let me try something with it. You take the camera.
Tablets are still...
Let me... Here. Come out here.
Oh, it's not gonna do anything in your house.
How you know?
I know anything. Dog. It's really hard.
It's hard?
Yeah, the bottle. Look.
Yeah, that's because you gotta make sure no gas can leak out. We suck at this.
Shake it like it's all shake. Ready? I'm afraid. Oh my god, my hand almost flew off.
Did you just hear a dog bark? Where'd the cat go?